see the wonders of your love. You fill different gifts of nature and of grace to lead your people to their home above. He was a man profoundly human, open to the signs of the times, and yet he was a man. He was a man of God. We thank you, O Lord, for Don Bosco. In him we see the wonders of your love. You filled